Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with another quick tutorial. On this tutorial I'll be showing you a little trick right here what happens whenever you accidentally close a tab in Google Chrome. So let's say we go to Google Chrome and we're gonna on different tabs that you have right here, but somehow you were closing tabs that you didn't want and you don't know what you did. I'm like, oh my gosh, I just closed it. So to trick this to make it work, to bring back, is just simply typing Control Shift and T. And you can type in Control Shift T again and it brings back the tabs that you just did. It's literally that simple. And that's pretty much all this video is. I had a person that had a problem with that. So, thanks for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.